Hello everyone, this is Incredible here, and today we're going to be covering NPM, the Node Package Manager. So to get started, you won't want to write any code because NPM is a command line interface. Instead, you would want to go to npmjs.com to get started. So as you can see, NPM is a service, and it's a installation service used by pretty much everyone, I think. I can't remember exactly if Google uses it, but I think this is a Netflix logo. Adobe, this is a Netflix logo. I have no clue what that logo is. Microsoft, Adobe, Visa, Lodash, Squarespace, Disfit, Smugmug, HubSpot, Nike, HelloFresh, IKEA, Volkswagen, Zillow, iHeartMedia, Dollar Club, whatever that is, NFL. So first things first, to publish packages to NPM, that's not something I'm covering, but it is sometimes a paid service. So you get public packages for free, you get private packages for $7 a month, and package-based permission is also $7 a month for pros. And then if you're a team and you're watching this, first of all, thank you, please subscribe. The same thing as here, it's just a per user, it's team-based instead. So I'm going to go back, and we're going to search for packages. So the first thing you want to get is some things like jQuery, and a link to how to use that in the description. So as you can see, there's a description, there's an install, the statistics, there's a license. Well, 30 million. That's actually more than I expected. And there are keywords and everything. Contributors too. These are the people who made jQuery. And you can also get CLIs on here. So I actually forget the name for this, but I'm assuming it's here. So it's kind of like a social media. You have the @ So here, @Angular/CLI. This is the CLI tool for Angular. So now we're going to want to head over to VS Code, and I want to show you how to use it. So in VS Code, I have a .bash file, and by the way, all the code here is supported via a GitHub repo, which is always linked in the description. So first and foremost, we want to initialize NPM. To do that, the npm command will initialize. This is in the command line. I'm just showing it in this nice file-like format. And then we type in it, and we'll fill out the form that's going to show us in the command line. Eventually, and then, yeah. So I'm actually going to install jQuery maybe. npm, as always, install jQuery, and maybe --save if you're installing. If you're like actually downloading the files. Otherwise, I rarely use it without --save, so I have to figure out what that does. Up next, maybe you want a CLI. So this is a file-based CLI. Actually, this isn't the way you install the file-based CLI. This is just how I thought you did. Because I, installed it a long time ago, and now I don't know how to install it again. So it's npm I is short for install, @Firebase, like social media, like you're tweeting, like Microsoft, @Microsoft. I forget what the thing is, but I think it's probably @Microsoft. And then -3, or if you want, --, global. But -3 will work. So that's that. Then it goes and makes it a command. Okay. Or you can even check the file size of a Node_modules folder. This folder is a folder where all your modules from NPM are stored. And I'm warning you, it's deep. So DU is file size, human readable, /node_module/ standard stuff, big, probably in GB, to be honest. That's how big it's probably going to be. And then, so recently I did Angular file, and Angular materials, and probably a few other things, but I think that was like 53 gigs. So pretty good, yeah. And then ls. will reveal the files and currently in the folder we're in, and that's Node modules and package.json. Package.json is where you store all the information on your project, and you can even type npm publish, I believe, and you can publish your package, assuming you're logged into NPM and you have a name and everything. So yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you use NPM. Actually, also you have the import modules too. So let me quickly create the new file. So generally would be in a TS file, TypeScript file doing this, but we're going to pretend we're in JavaScript because we're going to be adding support for ES6. So you would do the NPM, and actually this is only in TypeScript, but if I do it, only in Java TypeScript, but if I do it in JavaScript, it's going to give me an error. Okay, I don't know. I don't use the import. So we're going to import everything as $ from jQuery. And yeah, then we can just go $ hashtag ID dot process. And there we go. Actually, I have no clue how to use it. But that's how you import things into with JavaScript. So I'm also going to leave this here. I'm going to comment it up so it's understandable. And yeah, thank you for watching. And this is Incredible signing out.